So you have a head of lettuce and want to know the best way to cut it to make a salad and when you should wash it? I've got you. First things first, for today's video, I am using a head of romaine lettuce, which is different than iceberg. I do have another video showing you how to chop iceberg the easy way, and I'll link that below for you. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Laura, also known around these parts as the internet mom that will teach you how to cook for yourself and for your family. Here I have a head of romaine lettuce, but this process also works with green and red leaf lettuce too. The first thing we're going to do is slice it in half with a large, sharp chef's knife from one end to the other. The next step is to trim the end off right where the color is less white and it has some yellow-green tones to it, about an inch or so, or 2 centimeters. Then I simply trim off the top. Now this is just a personal preference, and I usually do this to get rid of the brownish or wilted ends. And after that, the lettuce ribbons get cut based on how thick or thin you like your lettuce in your salad. Now traditionally, Caesar salads get thicker pieces, but I like my everyday salads about a ½ inch thick like this. By the way, if videos like this are helpful to you, will you give it a thumbs up so I know to make more on my channel? Awesome. Now that my lettuce is chopped how I want it for my salads, it's time to wash it. If you have a salad spinner, place your lettuce in the salad spinner, fill it with water and give it a rinse, drain the water out, and then simply dry it. If you don't have a salad spinner, just fill a bowl with water, give your lettuce a rinse, drain the water out, and with a clean kitchen towel, absorb as much of the water as possible. In the description box below, I'm going to share a link to how to store lettuce to make it last, as well as some of my favorite salad recipes and some great dressings for you. I hope to see you in another video since I share new recipes a few times a week. See you next time.